Hello again with part three, and I was talking about the buy orders and sell orders and all these battlegrounds here. And first, we need to break through this buy and sell battleground, which is this one here, and the 3CR level and that. But for me to want to sell this, I would have to first see a H1 3CR to the downside, and Aaron built this indicator, Rebel 3CR. He built it so well. It's better than my actual original sort of rules for the 3CR, and he didn't even ask me how to do it. Excuse me. Absolutely gobsmackingly good. So all I wait for is a pink level down. In a perfect world, I would produce a new 3CR based on the closes as well as the wicks, because these are all wick related. But in my opinion, the closes are stronger because they are the battlegrounds. Like I say, H1 have just push, and finally gone back down to that level. And the same, push. We are doing the push now to try and break that level. How long have we got to go in this hour? 46. We've got 14 minutes to go. And if it closes above that, that will for me be a bullish sign. If it closes below the little yellow line there, and these aren't actually as precise as they should be, I work in the decimal points. The final point of the pip, if you like, is critical. Anyway, that's I've made videos about all this stuff in the past. This is still looking quite bullish. If it closes above that battleground there, then it looks seriously good to the long side. We'd expect another pullback and then a potential long trade to come. As I say, because of the 3CR situation, this is why I say I can't go short. I can scalp short 100 times a day in this if it looks right on M1 and stuff. But I want to be, although all the big traders will say, oh, it's in a downtrend, we've got to go sell. You've got, saw this morning, 100, 200 pip move, 200 point move on a 5-minute chart. So let's have a look at 15 now. We've exhausted this. It's wrong. Selling is wrong here because of the 3CR situation. This is a mess. This is a mess. This on gold, I should say, is an absolute mess. So if we go to M15 now, I know my charts are a mess too. Don't worry about that. We can see we've got this this wedge shape going on. We can tighten up all the lines to this time frame. That's handy. That's a higher high, broke that, so that makes that level valid. We could take this off now, but I tend to leave them on based on the higher time frames because the price will often blast through a 15-minute, so for example, trend line, and smack the next one, the what was that, H1. So it's worth leaving them on because they give you a better representation of what's going on in the higher time frames. This we could get rid of and tidy up to the 15-minute. High, low, lower high, and it's broken that low there. So this is a valid line in my opinion. Remember where we took these from, those H1 battlegrounds. So we've still got an interesting level there to break, and then probably 100 pips between there and there. So I hope these 3 5-minute videos have given you an idea of how I analyse price. First I've seen this, then I can't go short because of the 3CR situation, but that could change in one hour bar. But remember, if a big bar does the 3CR down, we've got a few seconds now, then we could get a pullback again because it needs a big H1 to cancel out the long 3CRs. And so this is always in the back of my mind, and that is why I trade